This tutorial is going to walk you through creating a MLA heading in Google Docs for the essays in our English classes. The first thing, of course, you need to do is open a Google Doc. And once you've got the Google Doc open, you have a page that looks similar to this. Step one that I want you to start right off with is double-click on the top and open the first page header. Then you're going to select the font that I want you to use. Let's go ahead and use Georgia 11. Georgia 11 or Times New Roman 12 are the only two fonts that I want to see on your essays. And then, once you've selected your font, we're going to insert the page number, the pagination. I really don't want the pagination on the first page. However, it's easier if you set it up that way right off the bat. So, I'll show you how to do that. Click on Right Align, this button here, which brings your cursor to the right-hand side. Then, go to Insert tab over here on the left. Click on it. You will see a menu that says Header and Page Number. When you hover over that, another menu will appear. You'll click on Page Number there, and just click on this first one that inserts it in the upper right-hand corner. Once you've got your page number, you want to click in front of it, moving your cursor in front of it to the left of it, and type in your last name and hit spacebar. Don't put any dashes, don't put any other symbols, just that. And there. Now, as I said, I did not really want this on the first page, but I want it to appear on every page after that. And the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and put it on the first page and then select different first page. And it disappears off the first page. But I assure you it will be there on every page, correctly numbered after the first page. That brings you right back over here to the left-hand side. Now notice our font has changed back, so we need to change it back to Georgia 11. And you're going to start your heading. So once you've changed that back, you also will notice, if you look, it has changed our line spacing back to its standard. We want it double spaced throughout the entire document. So now you will start your heading with that we've been practicing all along with your name, typed correctly preferably, your teacher's last name, typed correctly, your class period, now here these letters after numbers, for ordinal numbers is what they're called, you can highlight those, go up to Format, go to Text, and click on Superscript. And it will actually correctly format the superscript. Once you've done that, you go down and type in the date that you begin the document. Hit Enter again. Now you're going to put your title. So you want to center space it using these center align button here. Your amazingly awesome title. Okay. And you're done with your first page heading. So you'll click on the body of the document and it will bring you out. And that looks pretty good. If you look, you will see that once again we have the font change and the spacing has went back. So we need to once again reset that to Georgia double spaced. Once you begin typing, the body of your essay. Of course, every paragraph must be indented, so you'll hit the tab and then you'll begin typing. All paragraphs must indent the first line. And we move forward. Do not add extra space between paragraphs. Some students like to do that. They think that it gives them more length when I say how many pages you have to have. I'm aware of that. You're indenting, so you don't need to do that. And you'll see here that the page numbers are continuing on. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them in class. However, please check back with this video before asking me questions that are answered in this video.